Welcome back to another episode where today we are just playing some casual Overwatch. And it looks like I am not running triple tank on Hanamura. I am going to run soldier here though. And I'm going to explain this video, I guess, for example, soldier on... I am going to talk a little bit about soldier on Hanamura defense. On Hanamura attack, point one, he's awful. He's the worst pick. In my opinion, he's one of the worst picks that you can use on Hanamura defense. It would be nice, but it doesn't affect you yet. I have a bright light in my lamp. I do not have a mic yet, so I'm just gonna put the TV volume on first to show if I have anyone in voice chat. And also, one thing I would suggest playing soldier on defense: do not peek here, but don't yeah, you can peek it. Just be waiting somewhere. But don't be standing right in the way for liner, shatter. Be on the high ground. Take the high ground right away. And have a Ryan. He should be in there. You should be able to get picked from the way. Or Zen should. Or Zen going split. That was Zen trying to say. Oh, he's trying to say that so he can risk you. Not one thing. Okay, that was a little short. Problem. We're all charging, so I'm gonna actually back up here. I don't know. Oh wait, that you was you. Alright, now I see there's a lot of them. I'm gonna back away from the show. The reload stand and take the high ground. And take an optimal flank. I'm gonna say far away. Okay, that's just something I want to try. But yeah, that's how I mean. I see a Roadhog Karen video. Get a bit of time. How is Genji still here? I'm gonna have to come down to the test. Just get him off the point for now. I don't have to chase if I don't want to. But I do want to retake the high ground away from this Genji. He could be a dangerous hero later. He can get back to me. Which he probably did. And could in the fight. And they use that reload. That's a really bad sign. Okay, I'm not gonna sweat the point and wait to go. Try to use that soon as come before. Okay, now I see I have a teammate and his tracer not moving out of here. Well, she had to help her call entirely. Oh my god, okay. So I could have played that a little bit better, definitely. What I could have done better there is definitely soldier. I could have backed entirely off the point, waited for a team replay. I could have done that, or I could have just backed up. So I could have either regrouped or just backed away. I see Genji coming here with the flight, and I'm gonna actually end up missing my hero truck on. We're going back. I'm gonna try and run here and heal up. I'm gonna probably tell the diva here that I'm gonna try and hit the hero truck on. She's gonna get that. I have my ult now. Now I want to wait for the corner pick. I am, of course, playing on console. I don't want to wait. I don't know if I can do it. I missed that. That's all unfortunate. They're gonna get some pretty big starters here. We're gonna look around. I'm not getting many kills here. It's a little unfortunate. But we're also gonna talk a little more throughout the day. It won't be one so I'm gonna pop my ult to the straight to can't get away. That was a bit of a poorly timed ult. It was a little unfortunate because my entire team kind of killed some of the priority targets I was going for. And you see here, me and Reinhardt's gonna easily smack up that road. What do you want to do? You don't want to be additionally taking a fight more than. As back back away from. Oh my gosh, I'm back away from that bomb. We do have a Roadhog and a Rhine playing a little poorly. That Rhine should charge for the point. Definitely would have made it. If he charged for the point, he would have made it. But yeah, let's review a little bit of that game. And what me as a player could have done. I could have fired my hero socket at this point, but I think I was on cooldown. That's why I backed up. I could have tried to have popped my ult on the and he will pop through and try to kill the diva. So that would go 1 hopefully. But of course it started a kill cam. So I backed up, I had to kill Benji and Cree almost got the kill, but went by the minute. That's kind of where you're gonna go sometimes. What players think you're too bad? I wouldn't suggest this very often though. Oh, and by the way, talk about it Mondays. We'll be back soon, but that'll be over on the second channel. And sorry also that I haven't uploaded in a while. Now I'm still gonna play a soldier in different maps. Probably just gonna get too busy. But I'm gonna talk a little more about defense overall. I know starting as just defense kind of more, but let's talk about it overall. For example, Dorado, it gets back. He can be good if you can position yourself right and look on the ult value. If I was, let's say, in competitive, which I'm banned from for season 4, probably the 41s, 52s, the 30s, are probably all banned too. Ban systems like Pro. Oh, and if it, and I want on console special, I will not spray everyone. And again, I do not have a mic, which is a problem. So I definitely want to get. I'm trying to get one. Easy. I definitely look at the comp. Wish we didn't have Genji and Hondo. They're normally split team comp players, which is kind of bad. So there's normally grouped up play. Look like a Hondo is bad. It's kind of like it's a backfire poking. Like how we have it here. Like I should be like behind these two poking to get damage. Like I should commit. Why not to get it? Now I see the guy over here. I'm gonna see you. Usually stupid and not charging. He could have charged, tried to get me. This flashbang, I probably killed him. They're not charging now. They're probably trying to get a off. And I missed my hero so I could down the roof. Oh, and they're charging now. Oh, where's the charge? Got big down. Oh! Hard around the wall. Okay, that didn't hurt. That was kind of a bad plan anyway. I was just still trying to stall the payload. Well, it's not my fault. So that's something you can do soldier. But the game tries to get stalled for the game. What? We have no ults available. Their Reaper's definitely about to have an ult. Because 2 or 3 kills from the team. And we're right here. Me and Genji are here. And we press the end to get him. I'm getting closer and closer with every shot. Like this, I'm not committing fully to kill. So I can't get any easy shot. Like see there, I fully commit. I fully did commit that kill. And I did fully get that play. They definitely gave us a big advantage. Getting those little other kills that don't look like they're gonna do much. There was a really annoying death. I threw up ult. I wouldn't mind seeing a Genjio to combo. Actually, Dewo would be better. I don't know. I'm gonna hang on to my ult now. The crowd control ult. It's to end the team fight. This can win. My ult can win a team fight. Now when they have a shield, a Sam, Narissa. Alright, now I gotta go. Now I gotta go. Now I just start commit. Now I just start commit. That was a little unfortunate. I didn't have Durst on my team. Oh, or Genji wasn't there. If I knew if the Genji was using his mic, and he said, I'm not there, I'm not there, wait for my ult. Did he have ult? No, he didn't have ult. He didn't have ult. If he said, wait until I get back to shield you, then I would have waited. But, of course, no mic means no play. No play. Why is there a tournament? Yeah, back to what, here, that was a really decent pick on Hillsrock. I probably didn't need Hillsrock, but it's to stop the, defend here, to push. You can completely ignore it. I got a priority target prior to his key was sold. I've got Genji's gotta die. That's the what's outputting him. He's at the kill already. Reaper's gotta die. He's getting too many Gens to win the team fight. I thought Reaper didn't have range. Genji, McCree, and Tor all have their ult. They would have told me, wait, I was at 80 or 70%. For Mike's, maybe I would have saved my ult to combo with all these ults together. Now I just throw mine and Jungle. I don't think we're gonna need a Jungle. Actually, Jungle will be perfect. Actually, Genji ult will be good here. Finish the point. Yeah, you're really good with fire target. I'm gonna go this way to flank. I told you should always be looking for a way to harass their back. But definitely don't just ignore the objective. Definitely try. You can't play the objective. But if you see anyone like this, go after it. But don't just give their stand kind of back. Now you gotta get this. Now you gotta get this. So I've never been that time back up. Either way. Reaper's gonna be annoying later, probably. Yep. I didn't mean to do that. I did not mean to hold there. That was a mistake. I thought I could RP, not Y. And their soldier just popped ult. Ooh, but our Genji managed to deflect though, sending us back at it. So definitely soldier gains is something I would suggest on most maps. One map I would not suggest was Oasis. Throttle would definitely, Hanamura maybe. I'd say it's a pretty good combo on like 90% of the map. Ooh, now they got a Pharaoh. We can tank. If we can tank Pharaoh damage, then we can win. We go in now. Keep them off the payload. Their Pharaoh can do any big damage without taking any big damage. Fighting. Okay, now down. And also, I want to point something out. We didn't have a store, but we did have a stealth store. Which I couldn't play on one more support. Well, we had 4, we had D-Goddess. Why is the mortal? Oh, this one we managed to get big. I'm not gonna use gold wins, gold medals to defend my play. I definitely think I did do well. That game did do well. But I definitely didn't do as good as I could have. I could have stayed my ult at the end of the game for the Pharaoh to ensure us the game. But that's not what we're here for. We're just here to see some decent games and see 2 hours at 110 wins, 2 hours at Raw Soldier. We see Pharaoh. I'll do a bunch of cover videos for all these guys that played multiple hours. Let's get on here for a little Soldier.